All right, YouTube, check it out. We got my nephew in the chair. We're gonna change his whole look up. All right, we're gonna be doing, it's the before look. We're gonna be doing a number 4 on top, mid fade. You wanna say something? No? All right, let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my Stylecraft Instincts with the master blade on it. We're gonna put that number 4 guard on that thing. Let's get it. All right, so like I said, I'm going in with my number 4 guard, taking all this bulk down, getting this all down to that desired length. This is the length we normally do on top. It's just been a while. How long has it been, Roger? You know? Nah, it's been more than a month. He says it's been a month, but it's probably been like 2 months. When was the last time y'all came? Yeah, about a month and a half. So we got a month and a half worth of growth here. But we're gonna get all this down. We're gonna get them looking right again. We're gonna put them back in the game. So as y'all can see, he's got his hair growing in different directions right there. So we're gonna have to hit that with different directions to get it all down to that number 4 guard. All right, so now that we got the top down to the number 4, I'm actually gonna go in with my number 3 guard, and we're gonna debulk the sides. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right off the parietal ridge, meaning I'm not following the shape of the head. I don't wanna round this fade too much. A lot of times people tend to follow that and they got like a round looking fade. We're trying to come up off the parietal ridge, and that way we give a nice squared haircut. And once again, this is my 3 guard lever closed. We're gonna do the same thing to this side. Coming right up, right off the parietal ridge, not following the shape of the head. We don't wanna round this blend out. All right, so we got that done. Now I'm gonna go in with my trimmer. I will be using the new Stylecraft Flex. I've been using it a little bit, and normally I would, well not normally, but I have been going in with my clipper closed to set in my bald guideline, but we putting these to the test. We're trying these trimmers out, so we're gonna see how they do with bulk, because he's got some thick hair. So as you can see, punching in the line, it's taking that hair down pretty easy, no issue. And a lot of people are scared of punching that line with the trimmer. They think it's gonna leave a really, really harsh line. In my opinion, it doesn't. I know some people say that it does, and they say that it makes it harder. I mean, it kind of can make it harder, but I guess once you know your tools and your clippers and your trimmers and all that, it's really not a big deal. On this side, I'm just gonna come up with it so y'all can see it actually debulking and see how it works. And as y'all can see, this trimmer is just eating through this hair. And now we're just gonna connect these 2 bald lines on each side of the head and the back. Take all this hair off. And then once I'm done with this, I'm gonna follow that up with the shaver. Now I'm gonna go right under that with my shaver. This is the Superint Pro shaver, the one they sent me with the Tank Be Chopping logo on it. And we're gonna go over all the sides, not coming up all the way to that line, making sure we're using a slight flick out motion, and then if you have to, like I said in my previous videos, you can come down with the shaver, and that will help soften that line. That way you don't create such a harsh line with your shaver. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my clipper all the way open, setting in my next guideline. And we're gonna follow the initial bar line that we created. As y'all can see, I did drop it down in the back slightly, not too much, just a little bit. And once we have that guideline in there, I'm gonna follow that up with my one guard lever open, create another section, still using a slight flick out motion. Now that section is in there, I'm gonna go with my two guard lever open. And this basically should blend into the 3 that I did earlier in the haircut. And remember guys, we're not trying to follow the exact shape of the head. We're trying to come off that ridge. That way we don't create any other lines or don't make the blend look too round. Now that is done, I'm gonna close my lever all the way, still attacking this line right here. Now I'm gonna go in with my one guard again, lever all the way closed, and attack this bottom line. Now I'm gonna go in with my 0 guard or my half guard, whatever you wanna call it. I'm going with my lever halfway open, working this bottom line that y'all see me working that didn't come out with my one closed. And as you saw me do right there, I did just close my lever 1 notch. And I'm gonna close it all the way. All right, as y'all can see, we have a little line right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that with my 1.5 guard. I'm gonna start off with the lever halfway open, all the way closed. And this should take that line out for the most part. I may have to come back in with my one guard lever open. Yeah, so I can still see a small line there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my one guard back on there. I'm gonna open it up all the way, and I'm still gonna attack this dark spot that I see right here. Close my lever all the way, do a little bit of detail work. Now I'm gonna go in with my lever halfway open, and I'm gonna start attacking this bottom line right here. Now I'm gonna close my lever 1 notch. Trying not to work my way into that section too much, just trying to attack this line a little bit to basically erase this line. Now I'm gonna close my lever all the way. And then I'm gonna adjust my lever as needed to get this part of the blend to come together the way I want it to. And as y'all can see, I'm just adjusting my lever as needed. I'm gonna go in with my half guard all the way open. Close it as needed to try to get that blurry, buttery effect that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna close it again. Lever open. No guard, lever open. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to his lineup. That way I can see this blend a little better. So I'm gonna start off in the middle, set in my initial line, and then work my way over to the side that I was blending. And remember guys, you ain't gotta rush when you're doing this, take your time. I like to use my index finger to place it on my client's head or face first, and that just helps me control my trimmer a little better. And then we're gonna attack this C-cup. Try to give him a nice curve. All right, so now that I have the line up there, I can actually see the blend a little better, see what I need to do to detail and make this cut look better. I'm actually gonna go in with my 0 guard first. And when it comes to detailing, you can be as detailed as you want. You can detail for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you feel is necessary, and whatever you feel that you need to do to make that blend look right. And I'm just gonna go through some guards that I feel is necessary to get this blend to look right. So this is my 1 guard, and like I was saying, I'm just gonna use whatever guards I feel is necessary. This is my 1 guard open. Sometimes what I tend to do with haircuts that give me trouble or haircuts that I just can't get to look right, I'll go through my whole system one more time. 1.5 guard. Lever open, by the way. Close. I'm going with my 2 guard closed. You got some dark spots that just don't want to lighten up. All right, so that blend's looking better. I still got some work to do, but it's coming together. Here's my 1 guard open again. And I'm just gonna adjust my lever as needed. Half guard. Now I'm going with the trimmer. Hit this bottom dark spots that we can see here a little bit. It's not too harsh of a line, but I can see it, so I'm trying to get rid of them. All right, so we're gonna do the same exact steps on this side. I'm not gonna talk through this side, I'm just gonna speed up the video. Have some music playing in the background for y'all, but y'all can just follow along and watch your boy work.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, so now what I'm doing is just matching both sides, well, this side with the opposite side of the edge up. And you gotta be careful right here when someone has like a swirl on the front of their hairline. If you take off like one hair, it'll like make the whole thing look bald. So be very careful when you're attacking hairlines like this. All right, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair fibers on the hairline.
What's happening? Why are their dicks exploding? That's where our brains are. Like, oh guys, look at that. You never know.
I'm gonna lock the hair fibers in with a little more hairspray. Now I'm just gonna clean up a little bit of these stray hairs with my trimmer. All right, YouTube, check it out. This is how my little nephew came into the shop looking. This is the before look. And this is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut in the comment section. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you're in the Houston, Texas area and want a haircut from your boy, you can go to my website, tankbechopping.com. You can book there. Also, if you want to purchase these tools, you can go to stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 to save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.